everyone, let's see how charts are shaped up for two key indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Positive cues from the global markets led to another gap up opening for Nifty today. Post the gap up, the index consolidated in a range for most part of the session, and then it rallied higher in the last hour of the session to end at its highest point in last 7 months. So this is clearly a remarkable thing for our markets if we look at the overall activity in last 5 to 6 trading sessions. The bulls are firmly in control over the indices as the Nifty continued its up move and surpassed the swing high of 11,618 today. While it was the IT space who led the up move yesterday, today the heavyweights HDFC Twins took the charge to drive this rally higher and index above its key resistances. Honestly, this sharp up move has surprised us to some extent, and as we did not expected such a sharp surge, we have been selective and have not participated aggressively in this move. Now, although the oscillator readings on the hourly charts are in overbought zone, the momentum remains strong and hence traders are advised to take a sector or specific stock specific approach and look for better trading opportunities. Also, the earnings season, for the second quarter is likely to kick off with the IT giant TCS declaring its numbers tomorrow. This too will lead to some stock specific momentum in coming days. The immediate support for Nifty are now placed around 11,560 and 11,520, whereas resistance is seen in the range of 11,750 to 11,800. Now, as far as banking index is concerned, for the third straight session, Bank Nifty 2 opened higher in line with benchmark. Subsequently, it just went into a consolidation mode, and in the final hour, it just took off. Some of the individual stocks from the banking conglomerates just rallied sharply in last hour of the day. So this led to a good up move in banking index to conclude the day with more than a couple of percent gains. It seems that the market is in no mood to correct, and day by day it's just reclaiming few important levels. Going ahead, any move beyond 23,000 for Bank Nifty would lead to extension of this rally towards 23,200, 23,400 levels. Whereas on the low side, 22,700 followed by 22,500 would now be seen as immediate support. If any weakness has to trigger, it is possible only below 22,500. Till then, the optimism continues. Traders are advised to take one step at a time and keep a close track on all the mentioned levels. Thank you.